In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create tasks manually in HubSpot. To do that, you first need to head over to your actual sales and locate the task. If it's not there, you can also find it by going over to other options such as contents, marketings, and the likes right here such as CRM. So locate task and click on it. Once you're in there, head over and click on this create task option. Now just enter your task details such as the title. So for example, let's input right here, create a meeting. Choose right here the task type. We have to do, email, and call. Choose right here the priority. I'll head over choose this and associate this with records that you want. Now assign this to people and also assign this to a queue if you would want, and as well as a due date right here. You can also set this to repeat if you want. Once you're done, head over and click on create. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use the affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.